Good afternoon. I'm Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and yes, I'm late. I ran an errand. I had no idea what time it was, and I looked down and I went, oh my. So we'll get started here. Didn't get a whole lot in this week. Okay, we got a new Olfa Splash rotary cutter. These are navy blue, and they have a mat to go with it. So now we've got, I don't know how many different colors. We have purple and turquoise and the ruby red anniversary one and the navy ones.
And pink.
Oh, and pink. Okay, Lisa tells me I forgot pink. Heaven forbid, I like pink, so I shouldn't have forgotten that. Okay, these are panels, and they are huge panels. These are 64 3/4 by 57 inches, and it's the Snowman, and these are by Urban Chicks, and they package those in these nice packages. And I was trying to look for maybe a better picture. Oh, I guess this is the picture. So this is what he looks like. This is what it looks like all opened up. So if you're wanting one of those are going to fly out the door. Okay, let's see. It is hot out. Alright, we got in some more of the Witch's Night Out. This flew out the door. This is the one by It's So Emmett that has the spiral bound so it lays flat, and it has all these really cool Halloween blocks, and they're all pieced, they're not appliqued. There's some neat pumpkins and a cat, and there you can kind of see there's a witch's cauldron. These are really nice books. Alright, speaking of other colors, here is the turquoise or blue or aqua or whatever color you want to call that. Alright, and then last week you saw we had that winter fabric. We got it in the layer cakes, and I remember I said it was a long story, and it still is, but I'm thinking that Moda went ahead and did another run, although they didn't tell us they were going to, or they didn't tell me. And I was able to get the jelly rolls, and I got some of the layer cakes. This is more of it's kind of Christmassy, but to me it's more winter, because it has the buffalo checks, and it has the trees and snowflakes. And we got some more of the layer cakes. So if you love this type of fabric, I would suggest you get in here and get it, because I don't think this one's going to last long. Alright, here are the fabrics that I got to go with this Holiday Lodge. We got the black and white, or black and cream buffalo check. We got the red and black buffalo check. I love this one. This has all the verbiage on it. It has home and variety of different fonts and color. Let's see, it's in white and red. And then we have the black snowflakes. I also ordered this piece, however they are out of stock. It said temporarily, so I'm hoping they'll get this back in and I'll be able to get this top piece in the yardage, but I'm not going to hold my breath. Let's move some stuff. A little bit more room. right, we got another bolt of the Shadowplay Volka. I saw a lot of that brown. And I saw that they had the green strip packs from Wilmington. This is called Emerald Forest. They had the double packs, and then they had the half packs. These have 40, and these have 24. The small ones have 24. And we got the red. Now, last year, if you're thinking of doing anything Christmassy and that you may want these, I would suggest you do your planning now, because I don't know, last year, getting closer to Christmas, I couldn't get them anymore. Or I couldn't get them for quite a long while. So if you're thinking you've got a project in mind, I'd suggest you come in and get those. And I'm wondering how long they're actually going to put those out. Okay. All right, we've got a couple boxes of fat quarters. Now, I know fat quarters aren't nearly as popular as they used to be, but they're still a great pre-cut because of the size, and you can do an awful lot with it. Ouch. All right, this is called Sunshine Garden, and it's a real kind of a happy, summery look to me. And it has, as you can see, the blues, the greens, the yellows, and the creams. These are really pretty. Let's see. Okay, and this one, if I can get it open. This one's called Blue Brilliance, and as you can see, so if you don't really like blues, this would be it. Oh, and there's some metallics in here too. It's got metallic in this line, so these are really pretty. So, okay, and we have one more box. This one's from Island Boutique. These are a couple of their basics. And this is a navy blue, and it's beautiful. I can get it open. That is a gorgeous fabric. Let's get this. I'm fixing to knock everything over. And this is a cream. Let's see what it's called. It's just called cream. So that's a really pretty basic cream. I'm always getting asked if we're going to get any more neutral batiks in, or the light batiks. Okay, I'm going to show you another quilt. If you remember last week, we did the taupes, and it was done with those 12 fat quarter bundles. This one was done with the greens, and it's big, so I really couldn't hang it up. But let me see if I can step back and show it to you. It's called Irish Chain. This is made with the green Bella Solids fat quarter pack that has 12 in it, and you get this pattern with the bundle. So hopefully you can see that. I'm not very tall, but if you're a green person, that might be right up your alley. Okay, were you able to get a bunch of that? Were you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now. Let's see, now ready for our drawing. See if I can get these to not stick together. All right, Marge Shepherd, you are the winner of our Facebook Live drawing this week. And I will pop that into mail to you next week. Try to stay cool and have a great weekend.